soy latte, triple shot.
It doesn't say anything about feeding them
Cafes?
like drinks for the squirrels. Yeah, this other one's gonna come up.
Oh, I got one in. This one's gonna be going back to you.
Down.
That's probably fucked up, bro, that I gave him that. I know.
He's gonna be the most hyper squirrel. Like, he wants more, he's just hype.
Should I grab it by the tail?
Sure.
Okay, put some up here. Or I'll get on my chair.
Look at that one right down there.
We need bait. Great. Dude, you're fucking touching me.
That was insane.
They're camera shy.
They don't like the media.
Touching me. I'm gonna go home and film a video. Maybe I should call John and see where they went.